How to transfer money from USA to Ethiopia. Now, first of all, we will use Wise. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and go to home. Now tap on send money. Now, as you can see here, what you need to do, just select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be USD, and select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be Ethiopia, like that. Now, if you don't find your recipient currency, just select USD too. And now here you can type how much you want to transfer. After that, tap on Pay With. As you can see, you can select debit card, credit card, your balance, or wire transfer, or connect to the bank. Now, so that's what you need to do, just tap on Add Recipient. So in this case, because you don't find the recipient currency, now you need to select the option of Find on Wise. So search for your recipient's Wise account, and after that, what you need to do, you can select it, and you will transfer that money to their account on Wise, and they will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Ethiopia. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Ethiopia. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.